Hi! In front of me is OPPO A77 and today I would like to show you how you can change font style on this OPPO. You need to begin by opening Settings and tapping on Display and Brightness. Following that, scroll down just a bit and tap on Font. Lastly, pick the best font style for you by tapping on the available ones. I will go with that one and save it by hitting Apply. So when I do that, as you can see, style of my text has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!